Well, hello to all of my awesome YouTube fans. How are you doing today? Well, thank you so much for joining today's awesome vlog. Curious on what I'm doing today. I think we got another unboxing for all my awesome fans out there. What did I order off of Amazon? Got an on Amazon box. What can be in here? Can anybody guess? Well, it's something to do with fans, basically. But what types of fans, should I say? Alright, let's get it cracked open and take a look at what's inside this Amazon package, should I say. Awesome. Let's have some fun. Here is the big giant Amazon box, basically. And let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. We're gonna need a knife to crack it open, should I say. Basically, that's doing our own stuff. Cracking open boxes, should I say. Awesome. Alrighty. See what we got so far. Looks like I got a Thermaltake laptop fan cooler. That's awesome. And a Thermaltake fan. LED fan. Sweet. Hey Chris, why do you need a laptop cooler for your laptop? Well, to keep my laptop cool, basically. Sometimes when I'm doing a lot of editing work on this machine, my computer somewhat gets a little bit warm, basically. But if you're curious on what this fan is for, that is for my desktop computer. Basically, we'll take a look at this a little later, but not right now. But let's get into this. But more plastic. That's awesome. Yeah. Stuff out my way. Here's what the back of it looks like. So what the front of it looks like. Crack this bad boy open. Jeez. Of course, you have to use more of these sticky tape. There you go. Basically, so it looks like. Of course, your instructions and stuff on there too. You know what? We don't need those. I'm not going to be doing an unboxing of the Thermaltake fan, but here's what it looks like. But it's a very nice fan. But, of course, you know what to do with instructions. Throw them off to the side. Who needs those, right? Boop. Roll up, put everything in plastic, should I say. There's my cooler. Of course, the fan, LED, power light, and USB 2 ports. That's what the bottom looks like. And over here is where your USB cable is. basically. That's the male and the male cable. And you take a notebook. Set it on your cooler. And you plug it in. And it will work just fine. But for a demonstration, let's see. Show you how this little unit works. It's very awesome. And of course, you have to do so many things with twist ties. Crazy. Of course, I'm just going to use this to power it. Doesn't matter what this plugs into. Any USB port. There we go. That's how you keep your laptop cool. There you guys and girls, that is the unboxing of the Thermaltake laptop cooler for your laptop basically. And this is a wonderful cooler. Now, I re-bought this because I gave mine to my aunt because she was having some issues with her laptop because it was also getting kind of hot. But basically, it's a very nice cooler. You can get all in models. You don't have to get this one. But I thought it was nice to kind of show you and unbox and stuff like that for you. So basically, here's what the back of it looks like. Of course, some information if you want to look at it. But I bought this years ago, but I rebought it again because it's basically the exact same thing like my old one. But again, gave that to my aunt. So basically all it is you got a big giant fan. Okay, you got air sucking in this way and the air blowing out this way. And it's really nice because it's also nice because it's tilted this way so you can do things with your laptop and stuff. But yeah, but basically it's a good laptop cooler fan. But the only thing is these are like to peel off over time. But hey, that's okay. But alright, you guys and girls that are subscribing to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave the awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And have a nice day. And thanks for watching.